Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Whimsy. Today, we're delving into a topic that can bring serenity and simplicity to your life. Mindfulness and meditation for a simple life. If you're ready to discover the transformative power of these practices, stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to join us on this journey towards a simpler, more mindful life. Let's begin by understanding what mindfulness is and why it's important. We'll explore the benefits it can bring to your mental and emotional well-being, as well as its role in simplifying your life. Meditation is a powerful tool for cultivating mindfulness. We'll cover the fundamentals of meditation, including different techniques and how to get started, even if you're a beginner. Mindfulness isn't just for meditation sessions, it's for daily life. Learn how to incorporate mindfulness practices into your everyday routines, from mindful eating to mindful breathing. Let's experience the benefits of mindfulness firsthand with a guided meditation session. I'll lead you through a relaxation exercise to help you unwind and center yourself. Discover how mindfulness can simplify various aspects of your life, from reducing stress and enhancing focus to improving relationships and finding gratitude in everyday moments. We'll explore specific meditation techniques geared towards stress reduction and emotional balance, helping you navigate life's challenges with ease. That's a wrap on our journey through mindfulness and meditation for a simple life. Which mindfulness practice resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone looking to simplify and find peace in their lives. For more mindfulness and meditation tips, subscribe to Whimsy and turn on those notifications. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for today, my friends. Remember, a simple life begins with a mindful heart. Embrace these practices, and you'll find simplicity and serenity in the chaos of everyday life. Until next time, stay mindful and live simply. See you soon. Feel free to adapt and personalize this script to match your channel style and engage with your audience naturally throughout the video.